Waiswa Mufumbiro, the deputy spokesperson of the National Unity Platform, today appeared before Nakawa Court Judge Frank Namanya. He is charged with inciting violence among the public with intent to cause chaos. Appearing before court, government prosecutor Odongo Mahatima informed the judge that investigations into the matter are still ongoing and requested that the accused be returned to prison custody.
Codified in the Ugandan courts in a number of cases, but I'll quote one.
The defense, led by lawyer Samuel Mufumbiro Muyizi, asked the court to release the accused on bail, noting that he has spent 78 days on remand without trial. Counsel urged that the constitution provides for bail once suspect exceeds 60 days on remand without trial.
Netusaba atebwe nga constitution begamba ku mandatory bail yobuwaze kubanga amateeka gagamba omuntu mu kooti eno amaze emyezi ennaku 6 nga tannaba kuwozesebwa okunoonyereza kukyagenda mu maaso. Constitution egamba alina okuteebwa ku bukwakulizo kooti bwesuubira okusaanidde naye ate obukwakulizo obwo tebulina kubanga bumulemesa ate okubeera nti nno eyambisa eddembe.
However, prosecutor opposed the application, stating that time spent on remand does not automatically entitle an accused person to bail. He urged that where court is satisfied that an accused may interfere with witnesses or endanger public safety, it has a duty to protect the public, adding that the accused may be dangerous to many people if released.
My argument is premised of Section 76(b)(2 of the Magistrate Court Act of 19 laws of Uganda, which in that shell says that actually directs that in consideration on whether to grant bail when an accused person has clocked the pretrial remand.
Judge Frank Namanya ruled that he will deliver his decision on the bail application on January 22nd, a date that falls after the general elections. After court, the defense lawyer Samuel Mufumbiro expressed disappointment with the delayed ruling. Meanwhile, the accused's brother, Kato Kenneth Wilson, said that the family was saddened that Mufumbiro will not be able to take part in the election. Despite this, he encouraged supporters to turn up in large numbers and vote for him on January 15th.
Here at this court, it shows you that this was, it always had to be for him not to participate in this election, starting with the nomination. Now he cannot vote himself. But the people of Nakawa keep strong. We have been given a date of 22nd January. That's when he will vote himself. That's when he will vote for the incoming Lord Mayor.
Waiswa Mufumbiro remains on remand as court prepares to deliver its ruling later this month in a case that continues to attract significant political and legal attention.